Good morning, I'm Brian Boyd, and today on Boyd Outdoors, we're catching a buzz. Well, today we're fishing here in the Scarborough River, targeting Miller Lights out in the wild. You know, usually around 12 ounces, the type of fish we like to catch. They can get up to 16, sometimes 24 ounces. Usually see them at schools, sometimes packs of 12, 18, and even 30 occasionally. We're gonna do a quick tutorial on how you fillet one of these babies up, get all the good meat and juice out of it so you can take it home and enjoy it with your family. So first and foremost, you want to find the center line by looking where the hole is on the animal, and you want to just insert your blade here and kind of cut a nice hole to get access to it. Then you want to slowly press down, being careful not to cut yourself here. And then what you do is you just bring it up. Fun for the whole family. Very enjoyable. Hey, Andrew, in case you're wondering, man, this is what they look like.
Hey, fuck you. What? This is not what we're after. Cheers. Hey.
See that release? You know, fishing ain't all sunfish and rainbow trout. For every one of those one days, you gotta have at least 4 or 5 days of prep, learning the tides and the hops and the blood alcohol contents. The true fisherman really enjoys that work. PBs on your books, up your numbers season over season. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching. Remember to stay safe and enjoy fishing responsibly, and make sure that you never fish and drive.
Works with the people, them defend. From now till the morning sun, boy get hang over. I must set the pattern on the trend.
Hey, Mr. DJ, play that one again. Well, it's a reggae music where the people, them defend. And from now till the morning, vibes in all go end. Nothing derogative, a strictly message I send. From your born in Jamaica, there is no escaping it. Reggae music on the top, it's everybody's favorite. Say you're not gonna feel no pain, even when the bass a lick. This is perfectly natural and no nothing satanic. And if you're born overseas, you need to take a trip, like a pilgrimage to Mecca, cause we created it. You want to see some real woman, wind up them ways to it, like a musical scientist and manipulate physics. I say, hey Mr. DJ, play that one again. Well, this a reggae music where the people them defend. And from now till the morning, vibes in all go end.